大家好，这里是 pikavanlife， 我是 Tom 大神。在尝试了各种不同的自驾出行方式以后，我们决定在2018年改装一辆属于我们自己的面包车，用一种叫做 vanlife 的旅居方式，开始我们在路上的生活。在这个 VLOG 系列里，我想带你们开着这辆名为大白的 van， 走走停停，看看北美的自驾vanlife生活，体会在路上最真实的一面。有欢笑，有美景，有尴尬，也有惊险。第一站我们要去到一个叫做 Overland Expo 的聚会，据说这是个越野改装界的一大盛典。这一路会发生什么有趣的故事呢？在这个Overland Expedition Overland booth，Expedition Overland 是一个这个节目吧，然后越野穿越类的节目。看看这个 Patriot Camper， 我靠，真的是澳大利亚的一个牌子，好多东西啊。漂亮。
Also, depending on how long you're going to be out, you know, SSDs are coming really far down in price, and those things are way more reliable than a hard drive. And there's some really cool portable stuff out now. DJI's got a deal, I think it's with Lacey or Seagate, where it's like this little unit, it's got a touch screen on it. You can stick your card right into the hard drive, it auto copies the card off. You can plug in another hard drive to that, it'll auto back itself up, and then you're not even dragging a laptop around. You're doing all your offloading.
To do Expedition Overland with our kids, and we started with really young kids too. Like Eli was 1 when we started. It's taken a huge support system, family, people, grandparents watching. This business and Expedition Overland exists because of grandparents.
Okay.
You know, because they were able to watch our kids while we had to go do what we needed to do and chase our vision. So.
Earthroamer 也是比较大的一个公司，可能说非常大的，它主要是靠用福特的 chassis 来做这种这个 Expedition vehicle， 然后里边真的是什么都有，应有尽有。这个是他们最新的一台这个量产车吧，用的是福特750的 base， 然后6.7 turbo diesel 的 engine。只能坐2个人，但是里边真是漂亮。有 solar、snorkel， 这个就肯定比那个，你看这个。
I think there's balance. I think we are nomadic. We do need adventure in our life, and so I think it doesn't matter what your background is. One of the reasons that so many people are getting into it is because they need some balance, and especially as we get more high tech, we need to offset that high tech with connecting back with nature and finding a little bit of adventure. And I really feel like it makes us healthier, happier humans. Like you as a person, if you go out on some adventure and you overcome the unexpected, and you have the confidence to do that, it pays dividends back in your day-to-day life, right? I mean, you can overcome those obstacles, and then also, the other thing that happens when you're out there overcoming is that you find that people really do want to help one another. And so the community out there on the trail or, off the grid just naturally comes together to help one another. You don't need to know each other at all. And so having that, experience in that aspect, which is really the best parts of being human, is really vitally important. And so I think, to your point, we don't all have an outdoor background, but we do feel the call to have that connection with nature, and more people are trying to find that balance, I think, So we're here to provide information and get people out there just to experience it.
Yeah.
See if they like it.
This is our first year being in the Expo.
Cool.
In the east side, and we really look forward for the next West Expo.
Yeah, you think you can go down there to Arizona or go out west?
Well, I hope so, and definitely
awesome.
The weather gonna be better. Maybe.
Yeah. Right.
做饭，炖了一锅牛肉，然后还有一锅面条，一会儿再煮点青菜，然后还有香飘飘奶茶，还有老干妈，还有一个在工作的人。为什么你满面红光？
要自己吃。
今天土豆炖牛肉。Hello B 站和 YouTube 的小伙伴们，大家好，这里是 pikavanlife， 我是 Tom 大神，
我是 Barbie。
2019年对我们来说是重要的一年，在历经几年对 vanlife 的摸索之后，我们终于改造出了一个符合我们心意的 van， 并且开着它在北美自驾生活了100多天。
如果你已经看到了这里，而且对 vanlife 感兴趣的话，请关注我们的频道。2020年我们会带来更多的房车改造以及北美自驾生活的心得。
B 站的小伙伴也欢迎一键3连支持我们哦。